Welcome back, smart shoppers! Today on Buy Smart, we have a thrilling face-off between two titans of the 3D printing world. The Entina Mini 3D Printer Tina 2, or as I like to call it, Tiny Tina, and the Sovol SV06, aka the Sovolution. Let's dive headfirst into this 3D printing showdown. First up, let's talk about the most important thing on everyone's mind: price. Tiny Tina is coming in hot at $169. That's like buying a 3D printer and still having enough left over to buy, well, a lot of filament. Meanwhile, the Sovolution is priced at $249. A bit more, but hey, you get what you pay for, right? Or do you? Let's find out. Tiny Tina is marketed as the 3D printer for beginners. Straight out of the box, no complex setup, you can start printing faster than you can say, extruder. Reviewers love its user-friendly setup and compact design, making it perfect for any setting. Meanwhile, the Sovolution has a modular design that allows you to assemble it in just 5 steps. It's like building a Lego set, but for adults who still want to feel like kids. Reviewers appreciate its ease of assembly and robust feature set. So who wins this round? If you're a beginner or just lazy, Tiny Tina takes the cake. But if you like a bit of DIY, the Sovolution is your jam. Tiny Tina boasts auto-leveling and a magnetic platform. It's like having a butler who always knows how to perfectly set your dinner table. However, some reviewers mentioned that the Wi-Fi connectivity and app can be problematic. The Sovolution, on the other hand, has a 25-point auto-leveling system. 25 points. That's more points than my high school GPA. Reviewers praise its PEI build plate that makes removing prints easier. Both are great, but with 25 points, the Sovolution might just be the valedictorian here. Tiny Tina is all about high-precision printing with its dual Z-axis rails. It's like the difference between writing with a crayon and a fine-point pen. You're gonna get those details just right, and reviewers love its print quality and precision. The Sovolution has a direct drive extruder with planetary dual gear set, which sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, but basically means it's super accurate with its extrusion. Plus, it can print up to 300. That's hotter than my mixtape. For precision and versatility, the Sovolution takes this one, hands down. Tiny Tina is compact, lightweight, and perfect for home use, classrooms, or even your dorm room. With a build volume of 100 by 120 by 100 millimeters, it's like the tiny house of 3D printers. Adorable but limited. Reviewers appreciate its compact design, but note the small print size as a limitation. The Sovolution, though, offers a 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters build size. That's like moving from a studio apartment to a full-blown mansion. You can print bigger, and let's be honest, bigger is better. That's what she said. Reviewers love the larger build volume for bigger projects. Tiny Tina comes with a 24-month warranty and lifetime technical support. It's like having a friend who's always there for you, even when you don't want them to be. Reviewers are pleased with the customer service and support. The Sovolution also offers a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. Some reviewers mentioned minor issues with customer service, but still recommend the printer for its reliability and performance. So no matter which one you choose, you've got someone to hold your hand through the rough times. It's like 3D printing therapy. Overall, Tiny Tina is praised for its affordability, user-friendliness, and excellent customer support, making it a fantastic choice for beginners. The Sovolution, while pricier, is lauded for its precision, larger build volume, and advanced features, making it ideal for more experienced users or those looking for more versatility. So there you have it, smart shoppers. Tiny Tina is perfect for beginners and those who love a compact, easy-to-use machine. The Sovolution is for those who want more speed, precision, and a larger build volume. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next epic product showdown. Until next time, buy smart and print smarter. Product links are in the description.